Hello and thank you for downloading the Wavy Divider Shopify section by qwiqode. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use it. With this section, you can add a space between other sections by inserting a wavy line between them and styling it to match your store's design. To get started, you can open the section settings and the first option is the width. By default, it's full width, but you can also select regular width, and when using regular width, you can control the content max width using this range. But if you select full width, the wavy line will expand horizontally all the way. Okay? Then we have the section top and bottom margin, and with these fields, you can control the distance between the other sections. Right now it's 0, but you can add more, so it will create more space between them. The same with the bottom margin. Okay, then we have the same settings for mobile, the section top margin and bottom margin. Next we have the divider styling settings, and from here you can select a color like this. You can also adjust the divider thickness, so right now it's 4 pixels, but you can expand this to make your line thicker. With this toggle you can round the edges, so if you turn it off it will look like this. Okay, but on this example I'm gonna keep it enabled. Then we have the divider width in percentage. This is relative to the section width. So right now it's 100%, and if we have full width, then it will expand all the way like this. So let's say we have less, let's say around 70%. That percent will be from the full width area. This is different from the section width because with this, you can create an effect similar to this. So it will expand all the way, but if you want to align the wave to be 70%, but all the way to the edge, you can use that full width. But for example, if this was less than full width, but let's say we have a content max width of 1280, and that 1280 is the same width of the other wrappers. So we can create this effect, okay? So that's the difference between using the divider width and the section width. So you can create this effect. Otherwise, if you use full width, it will expand all the way to the left. Okay, so on this example, I'm going to keep it at full width, but instead to be aligned on the left, I want to align it on the center. We also added an option to add the width amount in pixels. This will override the settings from the divider width. So if you want the divider to be a specific width, you can add it here. Let's say if we want it to be 500 pixels, you'll add that amount in here, but without the px. Okay, but on this example, I'm going to leave it blank because I want to adjust the width using this other field. Then we have the same settings for mobile. The thickness, width in percentage, width in pixels, and also the alignment. And down here we have the wave settings, and the first option is the wave angle. And with this, you can control the curve of the wave. For example, if we increment this, you'll see that the wave have more curve. But if we adjust the number like this, we'll see that the wave barely has a curve. But on this example, I'm gonna leave it around 50. Okay. The next one is the wave frequency. And with this, we control how much we want to stretch the wave. For example, if it's low, then we will have more repetitions. But if we have a higher number, we're stretching that wave all the way. So we'll see the wave like this. Okay, so a smaller number, more repetitions, and a higher one, less repetitions. Okay, but on this example, maybe I'm gonna keep it like a little less because I want to create that effect. Okay, and then we have the same settings for mobile, the wave angle and the wave frequency. I really like how it looks right now, so I'm gonna save it, and that's it. Thank you again. If you have any questions or if you run into any issues, please don't hesitate to contact us via our support page on our website. Thank you again and take care.